Staying updated on furniture trends is crucial for shaping your creative vision as a designer or architect. In this series, I'll be introducing you to well-known furniture companies that offer free downloads of their 3D furniture models. Let's get started. Number 1. Edra.com. Italian furniture manufacturer Edra is well known for its innovative and imaginative designs. They specialize in producing luxurious and cutting-edge furniture, establishing trends in the field of modern design. Let's quickly review their webpage. You may learn more about their categories in the Models tab. Boy oh boy! I love their sofas. Which one to pick? The red one caught my eye. Let's click on it. Tatlin. Downloads can be found at the bottom of the page. I'll download the OBJ and texture, but you can use whatever format you like. To receive access to the downloads, register and log in. I will skip this part. Okay, let's extract the files and see what's inside. Before you import the file into Rhino or other software, make sure the units are set to millimeters. Hopefully, there is a material file next to the OBJ. So, make sure that Ignore Textures option is unchecked. Voila! As you can see, the material is imported with the model. But the textures are not linked to the material. Let's do it together. Let me double-check the website. That's it. Wow! Look how nice this red is. I'm planning to use Inkscape Render for this one. Now switch the material type to Inkscape. This will allow me to make changes to the material. In the Inkscape material editor, I can change the color. Let's find our beautiful red. Tomato, salmon, tomato. To spice things up, we'll need a bump map. The bump map can be found in the texture folder that we downloaded from the website. Let's check it out. That's not the color we were looking for. No way. I have to change the red. How about Indian red? Also, the bump mapping was too big. Let's fix that first. Let's change the texture mapping. How about 500? It seems right. Yodel-lay-hee-hoo, yodel-lay-hee-hoo, yodel-lay-hee-hoo. Let's see how comfy this sofa is. I'll add a sitting person from the asset library. Cheers. Number 2. Artek.fi. Artek is a well-known Finnish design firm known for its timeless and practical furniture. Artek's designs, with a rich past and a commitment to sustainability, merge beauty and functionality, making them a must-have in modern interiors worldwide. Let's take a look at their website. Wow, look at this motion stool here. I love it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Check out this awesome detail. Nice job. Okay, now. Let's go on to the Products tab. Which one should I choose? Please do not rush me. Let me think. Okay, I pick sofa. I love them all. Look at them, for God's sake. Check out this one. Boys. Which one to pick? Okay, I've made my decision. I'll pick this one. The tank. Banana. Check this out. It was created by the great architect Alvar Aalto in 1936. Okay, scroll down for the download section. I will download Tank 3D in DWG format. Suit yourself. Okay, let's import the DWG file. Give me a moment to check out the model. No materials. Why everything is block? Oh wow. Block in block. Let me double check the website for materials. Nope. I can't seem to find it. Please notify me if you find it. Holy moly. This model is chaotic. Let's tidy things up a little. Okay, let's make some simple materials to help us organize things. This time let's try out D5 render. Well. Isn't that the delicate, cautious D5 render, always insisting on a save? Okay, now let's sync and dive into D5. Change the material in the asset panel. I'm going for a nice fabric. Beige linen, that's it. Now a nice wood for the structure. Light yellow wood grain. Something's wrong. Oh, check it out. More blocks. Okay, I have to edit the blocks and change the textures inside the block editor. While I'm doing this, I want to tell you a story. Once upon a time there was a 3D modeler who loved making blocks. He blocked the block, and then blocked the block again. After that he blocked it again with another block. He didn't stop there. He blocked the blocked, which was a block from another block, containing another block. Okay, it's done. To update, refresh the D5 plugin. Then return to finish the project. Wait a minute. I am seeing a double edge here. Checking the website again. Oh, I found it. Let's create a separate material for the edges. Oh my god. I just had a brainstorm idea. Let's make the edges emissive. However, with respect to the great Alvar Aalto. Isn't that cute? Stay tuned for the next part of this series. Honestly, no pressure, but for God's sake, subscribe.